Okay, so in there, can you give a brief intro about Cafe Coffee Day? Do you know about Cafe Coffee Day?
Yeah, I know about it's
You don't
a
know about it?
it's a yeah, I know about it. It's a coffee shop where people can meet went for coffee and for meeting, business meeting. That's all.
And have you heard about the founder who committed suicide? I think it may be
Uh,
5 years ago.
yeah.
About that,
5 years ago.
it was figuring tax actually, tax pressure.
Yeah. Seriously, yeah, this is so painful.
Okay, Shanvi, what's your favorite coffee brand?
Starbucks.
Which one?
Starbucks.
Starbucks. Starbucks is very costly.
Yeah, I know it's very costly, but
Cost, how much does it cost per coffee?
I forgot. I forgot
Forgot.
actually.
You have taken coffee from Starbucks. It is your favorite brand, and you don't know
Yeah.
what is the price.
From I think I have gone last time Starbucks before COVID, so I forgot.
Any other brand you like about coffee?
No,
So, which one do you prefer more, coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee.
Why coffee? What is the difference between the coffee and tea that you like coffee so much?
The difference between
Coffee
coffee
and
and
tea. What is the difference that you like between the coffee and tea? I mean, why do you like coffee better than tea?
see the coffee is strongly, and the tea is like a natural thing for me.
It's like a
Natural thing.
and coffee.
And from my side, coffee is that thing that if we have a headache or something, then we can have it, or we have to study from late night, then we can also have it like a black coffee. I've heard, I think, so we can drink it.
So, okay, so Sanvi, what do you think? Do you think that rich people pay taxes?
Please. Sorry to interrupt you. Sorry to interrupt you in between. It's not Sanvi, it's Sanvi actually.
You're not audible. Can you speak a bit louder?
I'm telling that it's not Sanvi, it's Sanvi. It's Sanvi, or you can say Sanvi.
Sanvi, SNVI, Sanvi,
Yeah.
Sanvi, yeah, Sanvi. Okay, Sanvi, do you think that rich people pay taxes? Rich
Rich
people, I mean
people.
big businessmen. Do you think they pay taxes to government?
I think so. I think yes. See, in my reason, everyone is equal.
Everyone is
So I
equal.
think they have to. Yeah.
Why everyone is equal?
Right to equality.
Yes,
It's a fundamental right also. Everyone is equal. See, in
everyone is
here we
equal
can
before
talk
eyes
about a
of law.
poor or a rich.
Right.
Uh,
Everyone is equal before eyes of
yeah.
law.
Yeah, everyone is equal.
But law is not equal for everyone. People love to break law.
Yeah, that is correct.
Okay, in there. So, do you think rich people pay taxes?
Rich people pay taxes. Yeah,
Yeah, do you
definitely.
think they pay taxes to government?
Yeah, definitely they pay tax to government.
How?
How they file their income tax? Yeah,
No,
I
no,
think
no.
I
How
think
can you say
every
that
year.
they pay taxes? I heard that a lot of rich people they evade taxes. They don't pay taxes to
Especially
government.
I'm
There
saying
are several
about the
strategies.
especially I'm saying about the income tax because everyone paying tax, but income tax not paying everyone, right?
Can you repeat again? Income tax?
I'm saying everybody paying tax. every Indian paying tax. Okay, but income tax everyone not paying.
Yeah.
If your income is more than 2,50,000, you have like there is 12,500 rebate. I mean, it's something that like after 5 lakh you have to pay tax. If your annual income is more than 5 lakh, you have to pay tax.
Also, do you think that rich people can evade taxes? Do you think there are any way through which the rich people or businessmen they can evade the taxes, or they don't pay taxes without getting caught? Is there any way?
Actually, there is no legal way, but yeah, maybe like they can do something in with illegalities. There is some glitch in our in our system, so someone like some people taking benefits of that disadvantage kind of.
Okay, Sanvi. So tell me, let's say
Sanvi.
that Sanvi, yeah, Sanvi. Yeah. So tell me, let's say for example, you need some money and you are trying to borrow some amount of money from your friend as a loan. So how would you convince your friend that you could repay that loan in time?
Can you repeat the last sentence?
Yeah, I was saying that let's say you are borrowing some money from your friend. Okay, you need money in emergency and you are borrowing some money from your friend. So how would you convince your friend that you can repay that money in time?
See, first of all, trust. Trust. And the second is that I will ask him or her that please give me money. It's urgent for me because I have to buy something or I have to give someone to else. So like this only I will.
Can you repeat again?
I'm telling that first of all, he or she have to trust at me.
He or she has
Okay.
to.
And the second point is that trust at me and have a confidence that if I'm taking some money or loan to my friends, I will give back to them.
Okay, so let's say that they don't trust you at all. So then how can you
Okay.
convince them? They don't trust you. So what would you do now?
Okay. If they don't trust me, then I will what I will do, I will ask for some anybody else, or I will say it's a humble request. I will surely pay you.
You'd say,
Like that. I will say, Aki, I will surely pay you in 15 to 20 days. I think.
surely what is that is not a proof. That is not a proof because words are not a proof. Nobody would believe your words. You need to show them a proof that you would surely pay them. Who would believe your word? Even I can say I would surely pay you and don't pay them back. Anybody can do that. How would you prove them that you can pay them back?
How will I prove that?
Yeah, how would you prove them that you have the capacity to pay them back? Because nobody would trust your words.
If nobody is trusting my words, then I will call off one of my friend and tell him that yeah, we can do one thing, that I can call my relative and then ask for the money because the relative can trust us.
Okay, Sanvi, why don't you switch on your video? You are here for the very first time now. It's better if you switch on your video.
Oh,
Okay,
my
in there.
video.
Yes?
I think we both showed on their videos, Indur Bhaiya and me too also.
There, Bhaiya, what did you did?
I'm telling that we should love we both, Indur Bhaiya
Yes, so
and
both of
me
you switch
also.
on your video.
Yeah, both on you. In there, please cooperate.
Ladies first. Ladies first.
Okay, ladies first.
Ladies first.
Sanvi,
Yeah.
ladies first.
I see.
Yeah.
I have on my video.
Yeah, good. Now in there.
Yeah, just allow
Then
me a
last.
moment. Yeah, just allow me a moment. Let me wear
Yes,
something.
why not? You can take.
In there, can you switch on your video? He's feeling shy. You know.
No,
No, nobody is shy actually.
No, he's feeling shy. That's why he's not switching on his video. He's feeling shy
Yeah,
of you.
quite
You were
scared.
asking yesterday, na? You were asking yesterday that what is the famous food or something places to visit here. Recently, I live here, na? So I have searched it for 30 to 35 minutes. I've searched what are the special foods that we can eat here. So the two are the main things, that is vada and duska.
Okay, good.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, in there. So my question to you is that do you think that while starting your business, taking loan from bank is a good option?
No, it's not good option
Why not a good option?
because there is so many things that we don't know. There is so many uncalculated things that
So many what?
we not tell. So many uncalculated things that we get to know later.
So no, let's say that you desperately need money for your business. So in that case, what would you do? Do you take loan from the bank or
I
do you
think
go for any other option?
I think loan is good option. One thing that if you definitely you need money, then you can do like you can share your idea and you can raise money. That can be better. Otherwise, you should invest your own money.
Uh, so what is the difference between bank loan and angel investor? Can you tell
Bank
me in
and
this?
angel investment.
Angel investment. You heard about that, right?
Yeah, I heard about that.
Yeah. So what is the difference between taking loan from bank and taking money from angel investor?
Angel investors, they wanted like bit share and profit in future, and bank you have to pay EMI every month. This is the difference. Yeah.
Okay, Shanvi, you are searching about my question, I guess. Are you searching on the internet?
No, I'm not searching. I was
No,
talking.
you are searching something. I can see it on
I
your
was
face. Light
talking
is
to someone
coming.
actually. I was not searching. I was talking to someone actually. He
Well,
was asking. I was talking to someone. He was asking for the notes of the last classes. I was telling that I'm in the meeting. I will send you afterwards. That's it.
so Shanvi, do you aspire to be a businesswoman one day?
क्या क्या?
Do you want to be a businesswoman one day? A businesswoman? No, you
Not
don't.
a businesswoman. No,
Why not?
I don't want to be a businesswoman because it is a waste of time.
The
Second,
lady?
waste of time for me actually. I don't want
Waste
to be a
of time.
businesswoman.
Okay, Sanvi. So, do you think rich people are happy? Happier than middle class people? Rich
I
people are
think
they happier
yes.
than middle class?
I think yes, they are happy because rich people have everything. What happened? Rich people, I think they have everything with them.
Okay, everything means what? Some example.
Everything like everything like the like what I can say. Uh, everything like everything. It
Everything
can
means
be
what? Some
everything.
example I need. What is everything?
Like like you can go with the example of Ambani only. He is so rich and he is very happy too.
Ambani, what is God? What he have? Ambani?
Ambani is very rich. Actually, can I switch off my video? I have to go to my room. Actually, my
Okay, sure, sure. No issue.
okay, thank
Okay, in there, what do you think? Are rich people happier than middle class people?
I don't think so. It's a subjective. It's depend on person, not rich and poor.
Depend on person means
It's depend on person character.
correct.
Yeah.
But you see, rich people have more money than the middle class people. So, do you think that those money would make them happy, or that luxury would make them happy?
I don't think so. Suppose you have, uh, if I'll give you 10 crores, so you will count yourself in rich or not.
Can you repeat again?
If I will give you 10 crore rupees, you will
Ah.
count yourself in rich or poor.
10 crore rupees and then?
You will count yourself in rich or poor.
No. 10 crore. Yeah, 10 crore means I am rich, but I am not wealthy. There is a difference between
Okay.
being rich and being wealthy, you know. Because you see, there
So
are
what
a
was
lot
your
of.
question?
Yes,
What was your question? Being wealthy or being rich?
about my.
You asked now that rich people are happy or poor people. So if
Yeah,
I give you 10 crore, so you are rich now, right?
yeah, I'm rich.
So if you are 10 crore rupees, so you will think I should buy a Lambo. So you will spend 4 crore. Okay. Now you have 6 crore. Then you will thought I should buy a good bungalow. So like normal bungalow will cost 5 crore rupees. So now you have 1 crore rupees more. Okay. So that will go also in
10 crore
maintenance.
gone.
So now
Yeah.
you are no more rich.
Yeah, that is the case. That is
So,
lottery, winning
so your
lottery.
happiness, yeah, so your happiness went. Suppose
Yeah.
if you buy a Lambo car, you will happy that much. If poor people buy a cycle, the emotions are almost similar. The happiness level is almost similar, right? Like if you have money, if you buy something like costly, it's mean not that you will get more happy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank
so
you.
Sanvi, do you know about Anil Ambani, Mukesh Ambani's brother?
Anil Ambani, I know.
Yeah. So why did he went bankrupt? What do you think is the reason?
Why did you? Can you repeat
Why
that
did he
sentence?
went bankrupt? Bankrupt. You know Anil Ambani is bankrupt right now.
Yeah.
So why do you think he went bankrupt? Mukesh Ambani is so rich, but his brother Anil Ambani is bankrupt. Why is it so?
I don't know about the situation.
Okay, anyway, why do you think people go bankrupt?
Why do people lose money?
Wrong decisions.
Correct. Wrong for the wrong
No, no.
decisions or
Let Sanvi say. In there, you don't support her. Let Sanvi say.
oh,
Okay,
or
say whatever comes to your mind.
they don't have money.
They don't have money. Okay, any other reason?
Not any other reasons. I think so.
Anything you can say. Come on, think. Why do people go bankrupt? There are
Family.
stable, for example, there are stable rich people who go bankrupt. Why do you think rich people also go bankrupt?
Rich people go because
Bankrupt.
for the wrong decision, and as a middle class family, we have chosen the wrong path or uh, money are wasted. I think that's it.
Which animal never drinks water in
That's it.
Okay, in there, what do you think?
Yeah.
Why do you think rich people go bankrupt?
Just because of their wrong decision.
Wrong decision in the sense? What wrong decision?
Like just take an example of Anil Ambani, right?
Yeah.
Whatever he want, like what the things he did, he invest somewhere like like he were not we don't know about that thing properly, and he were investing and he getting loss. Like if you have like actually the depends how the like the percentage, like those business who have, if I'll give you an example of our CSC electricity in last lockdown, within a month they booked 4,000 crore rupees loss within a month, and after next month they again come back to profit. The things are kind of that, like they are big businessmen, so they have big profit and big loss. So that the little small like wrong decision make them in trouble.
Okay, Sanvi, who are you talking to?
I'm not talking to Sunny.
No, you are talking with
My
someone.
mother. I'm
Okay.
talking to my mother. That's it.
Okay, anyway, let's end the meeting here today. We would meet again on Monday. Okay, tomorrow, Sanvi, tomorrow I won't be joining. Tomorrow is no, tomorrow there is startup night out. You can come. I won't be moderating tomorrow. Tomorrow you know about Vishal sir? Vishal sir, the founder of this company. You don't know about him? Okay, join tomorrow. Join tomorrow, then you would know about it. Vishal sir.
Okay, I will.
Tomorrow I won't be there.
Okay.
Okay, so bye guys. Thank you for joining. Bye.
Bye. Good night.
Bye.